Hey, hey, my friends. I love you. Hope you had a good day. Hope you have a good trading day. We had a good session this morning over in the Stocks with Josh Discord. Good live day trading session with the family today. I'm always happy to get to come out of there with a nice day, and we did come out with a nice day today. You know, it was a little shaky. We had a rocky start to the market this morning. Powell Powell's news being under investigation. We come into the markets dropping pretty hard. Looked like a bit of a shakeout because that's not how things ended up today. The market rebounded pretty nice. The old spy and several things took off like a rocket this morning. So we were able to catch some of those moves early, and stocks steadied. Gold surged. Got a lot of volatility, a lot of volume and momentum, things coming in, and that's what I like. That's what traders like, right? That's what I like to. I like to have good movement, good momentum, good liquidity going on, so I can be in and out of plays quick if I want to be. So yeah, got a few good charts to look at for you today. This is the Money Mike Show. I am Money Mike. You can just call me Mike, whatever you want to call me. I guess call me your buddy, call me your friend. Excuse me. So I really appreciate you stopping by. I love you, and I appreciate you. I want to do my best for you always. I like to help people, the average working man or lady that are trying to navigate the markets. If you would like help with that, you can click the description below in this video, and that very top link is the link to the Stocks with Josh Discord. I'm a crown trader in there. I am a teacher and a coach in there, and I live day trade 5 days a week. So if you're wanting to get some help finding your way through here, if you're new to my channel, you've not heard that. If you've been here, you've heard me say that. So come over, give us a try. I think you would love it. It's a well-ran place. We focus on education, a lot of trading going on in there too. So we would love to help you. Click that description, hit that top link. That will get you membership, the VIP membership in the Stocks with Josh Discord. I would love to see you in there. Come over and learn and earn with us. I got decent show, good show for you today. I want to say it's the best show, right? So I'm going to hop over into the charts, take a look at the few tickers with you here that I've got on my radar, things I'm looking at. Let's hop over there to the charts. This is what I love to do. Here's the SPY. I want to hit the SPY with you first. Ladies and gentlemen, we took off. Let me get some of these things turned off, clear this up for you a little bit. We're breaking out of the wedge. Here's the daily. You can see we're kind of wedging out up at the top here. Looks like we want to break out of it. We really need to pull away from 695. 695.40, I guess, to be exact. I want to get over that, get a daily candle close over it, and start pulling away from that. That's really what I'm looking for. Excuse me. Still getting over being sick, guys, so I'm sorry. Our MACD is beginning to separate these two lines. When you start seeing separation, we can start beginning to see price move and pull away. All right. On the daily, we are in the bullish camp. Anytime these two lines are above the center point, we're in bullish hands, y'all. So this daily time frame is still in bullish hands. We're not pointing down. We're not close to the zero line down here. We are in bullish hands, and we are till we're not. Right? We is till we ain't. So best I can tell you. Momentum seemed to been giving out and slowing on us. A couple of pullbacks back here, but guys, this ended up being higher lows all the way up through here, and here. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Same with momentum. Now you can see even on the RSI. Let me do that better. Let me do that better. I know I can do that better. Let's do one of these. See that? Same formation, y'all. Right? It's not perfect, but you get the picture. We wedged out on momentum also. I like the breakout. So I'm digging it to the upside. Want to go here, dial in a little bit closer for you. Want to look at the 1 hour. Okay. We did break last week's high, but we have not closed over it. This 1 hour fell back. We fell back into it. and post hours, after hours, post market, we are under it. So here's the test for breakout on the SPY. About 695.30, okay? That's last week's high and Friday's high. We got to close over that, start getting away from it. We do have, let's get a profile on it here just for funsies, right? Look at all this flat. Look at this, man. This is a big range. We could get a pullback to 692. Ain't no doubt about it. If you dial in and look at today, we didn't get a lot of consolidation, but there is some consolidation right here in this breaker block, right through here. 694 could prove to be a decent level. We'll see what tomorrow gives us. Right now, that's about all I got to go off of. 694 locally, close by. So anything under 694, let's look at today's profile. Absolutely perfecto. Now, you've got another small block all the way to 693. So could get a pullback into one of these levels, 694, 693. We'll see what happens overnight and into the morning. I don't want to lose 693. We didn't print much here today to stop us from falling all the way back down here to today's pre-market high. And there's not a lot there from Friday, to be honest with you. So I really don't want to lose 693. Let's keep a tight watch on that. See what the overnight market gives us, if we get a bounce or if we get a breakdown, okay? I'll be watching it like a hawk up here. I also want to check out Amazon for you. And Amazon again today proved to be a good day trade early. But I will say, unable to keep its momentum here. We gave it back, pretty much gave the whole day back. We've got decent support down here at 246. Decent support at 246. The 1 hour keeps fading off on momentum. If you can see this with me, I know this is just a 1 hour. Let me turn these off for a moment. It gets a little congested. We've been slowly, well, not slowly, but moving up. Had a few explosive days on Amazon last week, so I think it's time for some consolidation on Amazon. The whole time that we've done this on the 1 hour, I will say, so I'm talking day trading levels here, we are doing it on a little less momentum each day. Same with the MACD, a little less momentum each day. If you watch, I would be watching Friday's lows here to hold. I want to get a profile from this pivot. So, yeah, I like that. $239.50 would be a level we don't want to lose. Really, it starts at 240. So I don't want to lose 240 on Amazon. That would be pretty hard pullback to 233. Don't know that we give that up. So if you're day trading this, watch for your 1 hour MACD to lose this zero line. I'll put an alert on there. If we get down here and lose this, now we can come down here and skip across it and get another cross up and then start a brand new run on Amazon. So if you're day trading this, watch for that. Or if we get under this, we could be looking at a little more of a pullback short term, right? Right now, your level, to me, in between 240 and 250. Like that's the range on Amazon right now, intraday, okay? So if I get another shot down here but around 242 down to 240 and I want to go long, this is support. This is where I would want to buy. But I'm not a financial advisor. I am just an average Joe that loves charting and loves to help other average Joes that have to work every single day, because that's all I've ever done too. I know how it is. So I want to help the working man and the working lady with all their charting and all the help they need, okay? So this is what I'm looking at. Amazon. There's the SPY. I thought there was one other. Google. Yeah, I want to see Google. Let's get rid of all the noise for a moment. Look at that move on Google, I will say. Now, here is what happened with Google today. Again, intraday on the 1 hour above the zero line. You know, as we have rose up through here, momentum's been fading a little on the 1 hour. But today, we got a cross up while we are over the zero line. This is super bullish when you're day trading or short-term swings, right? Google's looking great. I like these levels. I like how it's moving. The 1 hour looks nice, and I want to see the daily here on Google. Give you a little bit bigger of a view. Get this down here Looky there. Looky there. So I think Google's got 350 in the near future on its name tags. What I think. That's just me. Look at this explosion down here on that candle right there. That's what happens when we blow through 60 on the RSI, and that was the cross up back here on this candle. Okay, so we created a new high back here to me, and Google looks very strong going into this week, in my opinion. So keep that on your radar. I would be watching. Let me get one for you here. I like to give y'all some levels. Here's last week. You got some nice consolidation here, all the way down to 328, up to 330, and it looks like we're printing a nice new volume bar up here right now. So that is a nice range of support for me. 328 to 330 for support if we pull back into this, or pull back down here to 331. This would what I be watching to swing Google off of. Those would be a couple of strong levels I would watch. Back to 325, I don't know that we get back there again. Okay, not right yet. So Google's looking strong. Market rebounded nice even after the Powell news. If you would like help figuring your way around these markets, I would absolutely love to be in that camp with you. My name is Mike. Thanks for stopping by the show. Thank you for watching and supporting. If you click on that link, come join us in the Discord. There's also my email down there in the description. You're welcome to email me, reach out. I do coaching. I do individual coaching, group coaching, and I would love to help you along your way. All right? Love you guys. Peace. Take care.